The organizer behind U.S. celebrity Kim Kardashian's controversial trip to Bahrain has tried to put a positive spin on her visit. After protests against her visit and reports that police fired tear gas at the demonstrators, Kardashian's trip coordinator tweeted a video of ecstatic fans who welcomed her as she promoted her milkshake franchise. Have a look.
Marhaba, Bahrain. What a crowd! Bahrain, can you believe Kim Kardashian is here?
What protests, Kim Kardashian, loved by the people of Bahrain, he wrote. Well, the irony was not lost on netizens who started the hashtag #TearGasMilkshake to discuss her trip. It would seem that tear gas milkshake was a weekend Bahrain craze. Next, Kardashian canisters, Tony tweets. Many also criticized Kardashian's glowing tweets about the country amidst its current political turmoil. That tweet, which now appears to have been deleted, was retweeted by the Bahraini foreign minister. Well, angry Arabia responded, while Kardashian tweets about Bahrain's beauty, government punishes prisoners with beatings, chemical spray, and solitary confinement. Mariam al-Khawaja, a prominent Bahraini human rights activist, wrote an open letter urging Kardashian to meet with rights defenders. She later tweeted us her thoughts. Kim Kardashian's visit was part of a series of attempts to make it look like the situation in Bahrain is back to normal. If you read our report, it is obvious things have gotten worse in Bahrain, not better. Well, tell us what you think about this story by tweeting us using the hashtag AJStream. Lisa?